Okay, with the good morning all. Yes, good morning all. I'll share in document with you. Yes. Okay, I'll share it. Okay. Yes. At last I just started this one. Okay. We will go. At last we are just started this one that related to goal seek tool. The goal seek tool. I just started this one. There's a useful tool. Okay. We discussed about the spreadsheet models. Okay. Models in the spreadsheets. So here, this is very important. Okay, there's a useful tool in the spreadsheet that you can use test some if questions. Okay, they are having a special tool that calling. They are having conditional thing with the if word. They are using a special tool that calling what spreadsheets that can be used test some if questions. It is called what goal seek. That one calling goal seek. Okay, so this goal seek tool allows you to set a specific goal. Then it works out what the values in the spreadsheet need to be ordered to achieve the goal. To achieve some goal, okay, to specific purpose. It's running on specific purposes. That specific goal, specific purpose. That's why it's calling goal seek tool. Okay, it's running on a specific purpose, specific thing. So goal seek tool allow you to set a specific goal and then it work out what the values in the spreadsheet need to order achieve that goal. Okay, it's spread out what's values need to order to achieve that goal. Okay, so goal seek tool is running on like that. Okay, I think you didn't write, no? Yes. Can you write? We will discuss further. Okay, first of all, write down the goal seek tool. Okay, and write this part. We will discuss further. Okay, write it. Yes, with it. Okay, write it with yes, right? Okay, like that. Last day also we discussed that one. There's a useful tool in the spreadsheet that you can use to test some what if questions called goal seek. Okay, the goal seek tool allows you to set a specific goal, then it works out for values the spreadsheet need to order to achieve that goal. Okay, so for example, if you wanted to profit of $50, how many product would you need to sell? The goal profit 50 and you can solve goal seek tool set this. Okay, like that. Okay, according to some condition, it is running. Okay, so here's something. They are having a goal seek box. It can be seen on the spreadsheets. Okay, they are having data, tab menu, call it data. In the data menu, okay, in this data menu, you can see they are having what in the data menu, they are having what if analysis. Under that one, they are having option called goal seek. What if analysis, they are under that one, they are option called goal seek. Okay, so goal seek is something like that. So goal seek tool let you set a goal such as a profit of what $50. Like that one, it's work on specific what. Okay, you wrote this or no? It works on specific value, specific condition, like that. Okay, it should be work on specific values or specific condition. Okay, such that things we are calling goal seek tool. Okay, goal seek tool. Okay, we will move. Yes, it should be running on a specific purpose. Okay, so here, here is a specific thing. The goal seek tool lets you set a goal, such as profit of $50. So we do this, enter in the cell reference, for example, A1 of the value of the set cell field. Okay. Then enter the goal value, for example, to value field finally, cell reference value need to change the reach the goal. Okay. So like that one, the goal seek tool lets you set a goal, such as profit of $50. So we do this by entering the cell reference. First of all, we have to enter in the cell reference. For example, A1 of the value set cell field. Okay. First of all, you have to enter value A1 here. Sorry. Here you have to enter the value for A1. Okay. And then enter the goal value, something like 50. First of all, value, comma, next, the 50, the to value field, finally, we enter the cell reference of the value. We'll need change to the reach the goal. Okay, that should be the steps that you have to follow up. Okay, we will do that. First of all, we can write it. Okay, write down it. Okay. First of all, you can write that. After, we will see how goal seek is working. Okay, we will do practical later. Yes, surely we will do all. Okay. So actually, it can be what? Right. This could be a number of particular product that is sold. The final output, according to $50, it can be filtering and show that one. Something like filtering work. Okay. Goal seek is working like that. Okay. Can you please write down? Yes. First of all, we will write. Okay. Later we will do. Yes. Goal seek, something like filtering work. Okay. Please write. We will do later. Okay. Write it. Yes. Just write down. Okay. You get idea according to filter. Okay, you can see like that that goal seek option is working. Okay, it's work tool. Let's goal such as profit. It's showing by entering the cell reference something like A1 of the value in the cell, and then we enter the goal value for the exam. Okay, so it should be running through this field. Finally, we enter the cell reference of the value that need to change. Okay, reach the goal. Okay, there should be the steps following up. Okay, yes. So goal seek is working like that. Here is having a special task for you. Actually, goal seek is working on what? Working on, let me know. Yes. Goal seek is working on the special filter. It's actually a model. It's running on especially something like filter. Okay. Something with the filtery work. Okay. Goal seek is working like that. Okay. Shall we move for the next one? Yes. The next topic. Okay, please write data and databases. The next part, write down data and the databases. Okay. What is the data and what is the databases? Okay, write it. I thought you finished this one, no? Yes. And next, write data and the databases. Okay. I think you finished this one. Yes. Okay. So we will discuss about data and the databases. Nextly, when we discuss about data and the databases, they are having some keywords related to this lesson. Okay, they are having some keyword related to this lesson, something like field, format, null. Null means zero. Primary key, purpose, record, validation, and the wizard. Okay, they are having some keyword related to data and databases. Okay, they are having some keyword related data. Okay, something like field, format, null, primary key, purpose, record, validation, and wizard. Okay, that should be. Okay. Okay. So that are the keyword that can be seen on there. Okay. So we will discuss. Actually, database, you heard about several database in your school, your company, some companies, they are having database. Databases means there are actually something like files. The details about students, they are having student database. Details about teachers, they are having teachers file that's called a teacher database. Like that one, they are having in traditionally we are write on the separate files. But nowadays we are not using files, we are creating database computerized. Okay, they are having a computerized database method. Okay, they are with the data collection. For first of all, there should be have data collection with that. Okay, with the database, write down some topic there. Data collection. Okay, so data collection is very important because why? We need make sure that data we collect suitable for its purpose. That data we collect suitable for its purpose. Purpose means the reason why something exist. Why this one exist? What for this one? What the purpose of this one? Okay, like that one. First of all, you have to collect the data. The first name of the all children, the last name of the all children, and what's the age, what is the parent's name, like that one. First of all, you have to collect the data. So data is very important. So we need to sure data we collect suitable for the purpose. Purpose means actually reason why something exists. Okay, can you write it? Yes. Data is very crucial when you use it. Okay, write down. First of all, write it. Yes, underline part, right? Okay, yes, I think you wrote that one, no? Yes, data is important. So we are collecting data first. After that one, we wanted to write in on the tables. Okay. For example, like previously, we always take the Marcus example, no? So Marcus is a helper for the school library. Okay. Marcus actually helper in the school library. So he wanted to volunteer about the start help in the library too. So what are the details he have to gather in? So he have to take need to decide what different tasks to give each volunteer. So what are they? So what data we need to do this? Okay. So firstly, Marcus will need some basic data about each person, such as their name, their age, like that. And he may also wanted to know whether they have ever volunteered in the library before, which task they like to complete, whether they have any disabilities, like that. So we wouldn't need to know their favorite drink, their favorite color, like that. They are not important. Is that clear? So actually, for database, they are taking only necessary data, not other like favorite drink, favorite color. That are not compulsory data. That's not much important data. They always take in necessary data. Okay, take only necessary data. So what will happen? Marx did not know task to volunteer like complete. He might give them tasks they don't like doing. Okay, so volunteer might not like this task, but they would be able to do this task. Okay, like that. Only according to task, what should be there? Always that gathering what the volunteers or anything, the important data only. Keep in mind, no need to write. We always taken the important data, okay, according to the purpose. Okay. So if there are not taken other things, couldn't it? And if you taken favorite color, but I didn't take the what? The first name and the age, the important data missing. What happened? You can write, no? So they are having a question for you. Okay. After I will finish this one early today. After finishing, you can do this one. Okay. After I will wind up the session early because I had the exam. So I will do it with while you. Okay. So you can do these questions. Write these two questions after that one. Okay. Is that clear? After winding out this session, you can write these two questions. Okay. So I will move for the next part, the data validation. Okay. Write down the validation, the importance of the data. Validation, the value. Yes. Okay. So you just learn how to identify data needs to the purpose. You have to learn this data is need for this purpose. This data is need for that purpose. Like that one, you should be know. You needed to know what is data is needed for what purpose. So you learn to think about what data is important and suitable. So you are now going to learn how make sure data that collected is accurate. It should be important. So why accuracy is important? Okay. Yes. What should be there? You have just learned how to identify data need to purpose. And now you learn should be what data is suitable and how to make sure that data have been accurate. You should be know, make sure this data is accurate for you. Clear? So accuracy is very important. Accuracy is very important. Okay, write down that underline part, please, Puti. We will do after winding out. You can do these questions, two question. Okay, just write down this underline part right now. Okay, please write it. Yes, write it with it. So data validation is very crucial and important there. Okay. So why, as previously I said, why accuracy is important? If they are having wrong details, sharing wrong details, it is not good, no? So it should be sharing proper, correct details. That's why data accuracy should be important. So why important? You should be previously learn how create simple queries to search database. Okay. Previously we learned how to create the simple queries. When we search a database, we wanted to make sure we get correct result. Okay, that's important. When we search a database, wanted to correct result. Actually, we are searching correct result. If we are searching wrong details, is it good? No. We wanted to check. Actually, we are searching a correct result. Okay. So you should be know about that thing. So we wanted to make sure all of records. We wanted to what? Make sure that all the records we found should be founded. And a record is set data about a single object. Okay, you should be know a record is set of the data about single object of the database made up of one data item each field with the each column. Okay, you should be make sure. You should be make sure what? Make sure that correct result. We wanted to make sure all the object record are found that should be found. Okay, a record is a set of data about a single object in the database made up of one of item from each field and each column. Okay, you should be aware of that one. Okay, then can you please write down this underline part? Okay, please write it. We will discuss later on. Okay, please write down that. Write it down. Like that, you can write the data validation. Okay. Write it. Okay, this can be taken with the data validation and this. Okay. Yes. I think you wrote. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, I think you got it. Yes. That's about data validation. Okay. Nextly, we will discuss how that data validation work out. That means how with the database, with the field, how can you check that on another thing? Okay, we will discuss them on later on. I think I wanted to wind out now. Okay, after winding out, please do this question. You have time. Okay, you can do it now, and after finishing period, you can go. Okay, so I'll wind out. Do it right now. Okay, so see you on the next day, Bhuti. I'll wind it. Okay. Okay, good morning all. See you next day. Do this question right now, okay? Thank you for this. See you next day.